Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Welcome to Tag Team Friday. And today I'm going to make a tag with the Twilight at the Lake bundle from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. So I've cut out these pockets, and I am going to be using this instead of a tag in this case because it works very well as well. So I'm going to have this. I've got lots of images from the actual bundle that I'm going to be adding on to this tag. This is my butcher's twine that I'm going to have on the top of the tag, and there's the usual brad that I like using. This is the machine that I use to make the holes, gilding wax, some distress ink, glue, and my scissors. So to start with, I have cut out this part, which will be the base of the tag. I love the colors. They are just the right colors for this type of romantic tag. So I'm going to use some distress ink to find the sides, the edges. Also distress this part and attach it onto the tag, so it'll go there. And I will prepare it by folding the sides so that they create a pocket onto the tag, and fold it underneath as well. In order to attach it, I will glue the parts that are folded. So now I will be working on the front of the tag, and I will attach this evening scenery from the lake, which it's really amazing. It's gorgeous. And I will just a little bit trim the sides, just a little bit, so I can see a bit more of the pocket here. And also I will be attaching more images, so I need that a little bit more extra space on the side. I will add some gilding wax on the edges of this image. It gives it a bit more of an evening nostalgic feel. So I will glue this onto the tag as well, onto that pocket. Just let it attach a little bit. And over this I will add this gorgeous water lily. So I'm creating dimensions onto the tag. I have decided that this tag is going to have things coming out from the sides and everything, so I'm going to add the glue onto the side here. This heron is just gorgeous. I have fussy cut all these images. I'm sure a lot of people love fussy cutting, not just me. So this heron will go here and will show from this side. And I'm not going to put glue everywhere, but just on this part. because I think sometimes it's nice to give it a bit of movement. And when you don't attach it completely, it feels like it's a little bit more flexible. I have to do a little bit on there. That's better, just so that it doesn't get pulled. I also want to attach this dragonfly, which is the almost the highlight of this tag. So I will definitely distress it a bit. And then I am going to add a little bit of gold as well. Really gently to capture all the body of this creature. So I decided to add some acetate over the dragonfly, and this way keep it stronger. It won't break because I want it to come out from the side. So I tried using a bit of glue on over, because it's a transparent glue liquid. I used it over the dragonfly, and very, very carefully, so that I wouldn't create any smudging, I have put it onto the acetate, and it will dry on gently, very gently. It will be, see, it is, you can tell that it has been glued on. And I will also attach the little legs. So now the only thing I need to do with this is to do a little bit more fussy cutting with this one as well, and cut around. Not as much as I did before, because it won't show, the detail won't show with the acetate, as it's like glass. And as you can see, there's no sign of any damage anywhere. I have kept a few parts a little bit less finely cut, because this way it keeps the actual image underneath safely attached onto it. I will place it onto there, right onto the edge, and I will use this tiny little brad to do that, because I will let it move around a little bit more freely. So I will punch it. And attach the brad. There. The dragonfly is a little bit more flexible, and we still have this pocket here. So I thought what I could do with this pocket is have a little duck inside. I will distress the duck as well. And she can go into the pocket, and her little head showing. And it looks like almost like she's coming out of the water. And now finally, to complete this tag, I am going to punch a hole here on the top. I'll move the dragonfly slightly and have it there. We'll prepare my brad and punch it. So we don't want to catch anything here. And I will use my butcher's twine. I usually do this. I put it from the back into the front. I'll take away a little bit. So our tag is now ready. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will be talking again soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.